HOMICHEF nickel-free stainless steel stockpot 12 quart with lid, mirror polished stockpot 12 quart with lid, healthy cookware stockpots 12 quart, soup pot 12 QT cooking pot induction pot with lid. This item is a necessary addition to your kitchen. This 12 QT stockpot features timeless French kitchen elegance with mirror polished body. Cuts a fine figure both in the kitchen and at the dining table. 7 mm in base thickness, 4 lbs in weight. Thick undeformable base eliminates warping, great for boiling lobster, crab, or simmering stocks and soups. Discover the gourmet chef in you with this beautiful and efficient stockpot. Nickel-free, harm-free, made of food-grade nickel-free stainless steel, non-toxic, non-allergic, and more energy savings. Nickel-bearing stainless steel, e.g., 304SS, is also commonly used for cookware, but nickel is high up on the ATSDR list of priority toxins, causing allergy and diseases, and nickel leaches under regular cooking conditions. Nickel-free stainless steel is also more heat-conductive than nickel-bearing SS. Tests show a noticeable degree, 12 to 15%, of energy savings. Quality build and elegant appearance, look noble and elegant, mirror polished exterior, matte polished interior, tempered glass lid with steam vent, and ergonomical polished stainless steel handles. These pots are beautifully engineered by HOMICHEF's own in-house manufacturing facilities at the world top quality, compatible with gas, induction, ceramic, glass and halogen stovetops, oven and dishwasher safe. Additional features: 3-ply construction in the base, 1 layer of pure aluminum core sandwiched between 2 stainless steel layers, with extra thickness, 7 mm, eliminates warping and hot spots effectively, and ensures optimal thermal absorption and transmission, thus faster cooking, better nutrition, and more energy saving. Solid riveted handles stay cool on the stovetop, tight-fitting lid. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.